This is the Haier 8-in-1 bottom-mounted refrigerator. With its magnificent shiny steel finish, this is a piece of jewelry. In India, the refrigerator section is used about 90% of the times over the freezer section. Haier's BMR concept therefore eliminates the need to bend down by about 90%, which is a big deal. So when you hear Haier BMR, it's Jhukna Mat. No wonder Haier BMR is India ka seedha fridge. With its 8-in-1 convertible options, this is the most versatile refrigeration machine ever, which can be used in normal mode, vegetable mode, home alone mode, surprise party mode, turbo mode, summer mode, freezer mode, and vacation mode. Haier's unique twin inverter technology ensures that both the compressor and the fan work on DC inverter. That helps save energy, increase durability, and reduce noise. The freezer has the newest auto defrost technology, keeping it clean and hygienic. When your guests give you a surprise visit, you can surprise them with Haier's turbo icing technology that helps make ice cubes in just 49 minutes. Twin energy saving feature with optimized cooling gives you a 5-star performance with the option of saving 15% or even 30% energy at just the press of a button. Thanks to the refrigerator being on top, the compressor does not eat into the space, so you get separate vegetable and fruit boxes that are 2 times bigger. Haier 8-in-1 bottom-mounted refrigerator. The new superstar of Haier's iconic BMR range.